Hey, it's John here, JTech. Today we're going to be measuring and testing low reverse clutch out of a 4L60 transmission.
I can do that.
Basically, first thing we got to do is, of course, we got to put our clutches in, ready to go, so we can measure it. Always, first thing is you want to check, make sure you get your bevel spring plate, which we do. High side goes up. You want to drop that in, and then we go steel. Of course, you're going to look and, your specifications, make sure you get everything in there like you're supposed to. Because if you don't, it could give you a really bad day with the transmission. But it's also always going to be one after the other, steel, fiber, steel, fiber. Fiber there, and then we have our backing plate, which is selective. Basically, it's selective so you can adjust to make sure you get your proper measurements, your proper free play, which you'll find that in your specifications as well. You get your measurement once we get this clip ring in here. All right, that's down in. Now, of course, you want, like I said, check out your specs, see what your measurement's supposed to be. And to measure, what you do is just take your feeler gauge, you come down in here. I'm just going to pick a real thin one so we know it's going to fit, just for demonstration here. And that should work just fine. What you're going to do is kind of pull up on the backing plate. And you go just underneath it, in between the backing plate and the fiber. Which, there we go. So right now we've got about 11 thousandths clearance. Like I said, you want to make sure you check specifications. If it's too small, then of course you want to get a bigger backing plate. If it's too big, if it's too small, you want to get a smaller backing plate. If it's too big, you want to get a bigger backing plate. Like I said, they are selective. All right, next thing we're going to do, slide this onto the pump. Make sure we're locked in good, okay? We want to air check it, make sure all our seals are good, make sure clutches are working properly. And this one here, on this pump, we're going to use this port here. Basically, you just take your nozzle, put it on there, and just give it some air. Here you can see in the video, clutch is working. One up and down, and that's it.